So guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to flip like me and do this move right here. This is my typical Icepick test, what I do leading up to an Icepick test. It's fairly straightforward. So yeah, I'm just going to teach you guys how to do it. There are no prerequisite moves required for this. It's a fairly beginner to like intermediate move, like low intermediate. The full thing would be kind of high intermediate to beginner advanced. But this is the move, right? You know, I'm going to show you how to do that. Excuse me. So, a slower version would be... And so, I'm just going to show you what those steps are. So, starting on the safe handle. You're going to get your index finger out of the way, similar like if you're doing a twirl, and flick the balisong over your middle finger like so, whilst just holding between your thumb, and I mean, really it's just these two fingers holding. Then you're going to put your index finger behind the spine of the blade, right, flick it back. Then you're going to put your thumb, you can take your little thumb here, you're going to put it behind the safe handle, and you're going to kind of, not get your fingers out of the way, but you're going to, at the same time, close your fingers here, and spin the knife backwards like this. So you get this kind of... You're going to be in this position, really, but the handle will be over your thumb like this. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your little middle finger here, and you're going to put it, you know, where... with your index finger, and you're going to rotate the knife back around. So that as a procession would be out, index finger behind, back, thumb behind, over, middle finger, supporting your index finger, and back around, right? And so you end up in this kind of weird position here. From this point here, you're going to put your index finger behind with your thumb. And this is the bit that's kind of tricky. You're going to flick out, and you're going to keep the momentum going so that it kind of comes across like this. So you're going to get your thumb out the way. So you start off in this position, right? So like this, you're going to put your index finger behind, and with your thumb, you're going to kind of rotate your wrist as well as pushing with your fingers, and then you'll end up in a position like this. This is probably the most difficult part, but once you get this, you should be able to get the rest of it, right? So far, we've got out, index, thumb, middle finger, and then at this step here, where you are now holding between your two primary fingers, for most people, I should say, between your index and your middle finger. And then from here, that's the next move. So what you're going to do is you're going to do this, right? You're going to do this motion with your fingers. And when you do that, as well as rotating your wrist so that your palm is now up, your palm should be facing down. You'll be at this kind of halfway position here. And you're going to want to keep it going so that your palm is actually facing almost away from you when you're first learning this. And so that the balisong is now over your fingers here. And so now that you are here at this point, you're going to want to put your ring finger behind and take your index finger out. This is the bit that's kind of tricky, right? So you've started here. So you're going to twist and rotate your palm forwards, put your ring finger behind, and take your index finger out. So that as one smooth motion would look like like this. And so then here, you're in the easy part now. Once you've reached this point, and now you're actually holding between the middle finger and your ring finger. So this is the part that does require a little bit of finger strength, finger dexterity, which is why it's kind of a high beginner, low intermediate. Oh, that was not meant to happen. Okay, so far you can do this, this, and the trickiest bit, which is that. That is genuinely the hardest bit, that transfer from index finger to ring finger over here. Now, to finish this move, you can either keep going and do the kiss goodbye, all right, which is like that, and then you come back up, and then you do like a rollover, index rollover, which I've not practiced it, but like I'm sure I can eventually get that down. I'll probably start doing it in my videos soon. But yeah, so now that you are at this position, you have two ways of finishing this. You can either go out and short stop, which is, well, I say out and short stop. You can either, I need to remember what position this is, right? There we go. Okay, so yeah, like I said, you can either go out, and then similar to how you do a short stop, you're going to flick the balisong up and insert your thumb, between the bite handle and the blade, and use the momentum of the knife to carry it like this, which is what you'll see me do a lot. In terms of, that's just how I'll finish the move to do a sound check, a sound test, like an Icepick test. And it's a very easy way of just getting, it's a nice clean finish, and it's very straightforward. Or you could actually do a short stop there in when you're at that move there, at that rotational move. Yeah, that one. Let's see if I can get it down. Okay, sure. Okay, nearly. Let's see, that's all. I'll do this maybe one or twice more. There you go. And you can do that and have it land as a short stop there. It's strange initiating a short stop from these two fingers, because typically it's from a little higher up. But I think it's cool. I think this does look a little more professional if you do that. And then you can obviously go into your sound test. Let me pick up the Cygnus again. But yeah, so that's how you would do that move. Okay, yeah. It just takes a little while getting the timing. Once you have it down, you then have a really nice kind of move that you can do. And I think it's a super nice way of just sound testing the balisong, because you get a mixture of this. And then, you end it, and you're in a perfect position with Icepick grip to just do that. I mean, I think it's a pretty neat move. So let me know how I can improve the tutorial. Maybe adding a slow-mo and some other stuff like that. But yeah, let me know how to do that. And I will, I'll get back to you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you want to see any other moves that I kind of do on the frequent, let me know. I really love, well, I say I really love, I don't do it nearly enough, but that's because you have to start from the closed position, and doing moves through the camera is not fun. But yeah, I love doing that. But yeah, there's all sorts of moves that I like doing. Let me know if you want to know any of them. And, I'll probably make another tutorial. So, yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one, and I'll see you. Peace.